Peace, everyone. Peace, peace. It is so great to be back here with you all. I know for me, I have been able to rest and restore and work, and this is the first email for a little bit, and especially the first video to you all directly in this way for a little bit. So just wanted to touch base and just send you all some love, some warmth, some hugs, some well wishes. Y'all, there's so many things happening. This month has flown by, okay? And it's basically December, okay? The year is flying by, okay? So I definitely wanted to share with you all some great updates that have happened in the Honor Your Presence space. So first and foremost, if you are seeing this the last week in July, this Saturday, August 2nd, I will be having a free sound bowl healing session in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's part of the Safe Yoga program. Myself and a team of 7 yoga instructors rotate every Saturday to provide free yoga to the community. So if you would like, feel free to come on out. I know it's in this email newsletter as well, but this Saturday, August 2nd, will be that free sound bowl, aromatherapy, drums, rattles type of vibe, okay? With that being said, y'all, I have an official brick and mortar office space. I have an office space, y'all. Official office space. I have loved my telehealth. I have loved coming to your homes as well as going to the park and all these other places. However, it's time to see each other in real time, in person. So I cannot wait to share with you all some updates about that. But that leads me to the point of go ahead and book your consultations, and not just your consultations. If you know you're ready to book a service with me, a 60-minute service, you can go ahead and click on the link in this email to be able to knock out the insurance options. If you have insurance, if you don't have insurance, that's perfectly fine. This booking link is for insurance. You can go ahead and check out to see if you have any co-pays, put your insurance in, kind of go from that space. So y'all, there's just so many things that are happening, and I cannot wait to open my heart, open my life even more to you all on a more consistent basis. It's time. It's time. I don't know if y'all have felt it in your own spaces where it's just like the ideas, the visions, it's here. It's here to grab a hold of and take advantage of. And it's only up to us to bring everything to light. So in this space, super excited to be able to provide in-person offerings at my own brick and mortar. With that being said, the Honor Your Presence natural deodorant is still flowing. It's still a vibe. I'm still using it. People are still using it, and it feels great to detox the body. There are new products on the horizon. So I'm going to round out this time right now. I know it's already 3 minutes and past 3 minutes, and just taking a moment to be and breathe with you, sending you love, sending you peace, sending you warmth on this new day, sending you clarity, sending you follow through. Trust yourself. Reclaim your authority here in this space. And as always, honor your presence. Peace, y'all.